Hello, my name is Tanya Milan. I'm the founder, director and esthetician at Uniskin, and Uniskin is an aesthetics company and we specialize in anti-aging, particularly hair, skin, but definitely hair is where our passion lies, but also full facelifts and skincare and so forth. Particularly today I want to talk to you about hair loss because this is a journey I've personally been on, and I'm very delighted that I've made a discovery that helped me through my hair loss journey. So it's something I'm now offering my clinic, but I don't think it's well known, and I want to use the opportunity to tell you about it. So I've been working in medicine the last 29 years, and particularly in GP practice the last 10 of those. And one of the common things that we do find is hair loss, and it's quite distressing for our patients because it is something we are recognized and known by, and it's very personal to us. Some people can carry off a bald head and looking amazing, but others can't. And for me particularly, when I experienced my incredible hair loss, I felt as if I was some fundamental part of my womanhood and of my mane I was stripped of, and it started to affect me really emotionally, and very self-conscious and loss of confidence, which is very, for those who know me, is alien to me. I'm normally a very confident person. So with this hair loss, I had my bloods done at my GP, which we ordinarily do, and it came back that my zinc levels were on the low side, so I started to take zinc. That didn't do much for me, and then my journey of discovery continued. I started a master's in aesthetic medicine, and I was delighted to find out that we were doing hair restoration on there, and it put me in touch with a remarkable Dr. Sam van Eden, who specializes in Dublin and do lots of hair transplants. So he's put me onto a journey of carboxytherapy, which I use in my own clinic, and has definitely helped towards my hair growth. With the carboxytherapy, you put carbon dioxide into the scalp, only by a little pinprick of the needle. The very pinprick itself causes injury to the scalp itself, which then stimulates growth factors. But also putting the carbon dioxide in means the body recognizes there isn't oxygen in that area at the moment and floods it with nutrients, which definitely helps with hair restoration and regrowth. However, this journey still was not great for me in the sense that it wasn't enough. It was definitely helping and started to stop all of this fall, but my hair was still thin and I could still feel the scalp, the wind on the top of my scalp. So my exploration continued, and then I came across DNA testing, and that's done by Fagron. DNA testing is amazing because it's personalized medicine, and again it tests your genes. Your genes is work for you, it's what you have inherited, and it's also particularly in this case targets hair loss. So with hair loss, there's the most common things are because it's inherited from your family. You have it because you've got an insulin problem, a metabolic problem or inflammatory problem, vitamins and minerals, and then possibly a blood flow and loss of collagen. So very quickly had my DNA tested. It is then sent off to Barcelona, where Fagron use pharmaceutical products and geneticists, and they look at the combination, the cause of your hair loss, and advise what should be done about it. So I got this 23-page document that came back, and I recognized that I don't have enough collagen in my hair. I have reduced blood flow, so that then causes miniaturization of my hair in the hair follicle. I also don't make certain vitamins and minerals, and they advise what to take with it. So I have then just continued by taking collagen supplements, which you can buy over the counter, and all collagen drinks and collagen tablets, which we also stock at Uniskin. But that's besides the point. The thing I want to get to is, and also antioxidants that I started to take, and cysteine, particularly for the blood flow to my hair. And I'm delighted to show you my discovery, my journey, because I want to show you what has happened. So if you could have seen me a few years ago, a lot of my friends will tell you I have really tiny amount of hair, tiny ponytail. It was a little string. I could barely fit my band around it. Well, I had to fit it out around 2, 3 or 4 times. I can barely fit it around twice, and I can't tell you the thickness of my hair and the quality of my hair. So I am extremely delighted to have found a solution towards hair loss. Fagron even goes further to provide shampoos, that is pure essential oils, and further stimulates hair growth and follicles. It helps also for inflammation of the scalp or congestion of the scalp, so it helps with healing and stimulate. So it's got a particular product that carries the product deep into your scalp so that you get the best benefit of it. So yeah, that is my story. I just wanted to share this journey with you and say to you that it's actually no longer acceptable, according to Fagron, to be bald. You now have a choice if you want to be bald. And I just want to say thank you, Fagron, and this could be potentially you. All right, have a fantastic day.